Lane, Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is, how does Avail work? Simple. Avail Car Share works like this. Simply put, you add your car to the platform. The car needs to be less than 10 years old. It needs to be under 125,000 miles. Must be automatic, cannot be manual, cannot be full electric, must be, it could be hybrid though, but that's the basics really. The way you earn money, month 1 through 3, you earn guaranteed earnings regardless if your car is rented or not. You earn $300. Month 4 to 6, you add, you keep your car on there. You earn $375. They'll boost you by $75. Month 7, like the one I'm on and beyond, you get paid $450. They increase by $75 again per month per car, and that's how you actually earn money with Avail. They also pay you in addition, on top of the $450, a monthly bonus and a quarterly bonus and rental credits that they pay you directly. So now you actually earn a lot more than $450 by keeping your car on, even if it's not rented. And if it is rented, you make a lot more because now you're earning daily rates as well on top of that. Very important to understand this and understand it well. Also, another tip, do not add your car and take it off constantly. I get things happen, but if you do that, you have to reset the whole process. And now you're losing hundreds of dollars because now you could have been earning $450 per month. And if you take your car off, you have to start all over again. So if you add your car, make sure you keep it on for as long as you possibly can. And that's all I have to say. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. And that's what Avail is about. Carly out.